just at the shop, but I had to come back because I forgot something. And we're gonna go back and hopefully get my flex pipe done. But as you guys can see by the little visuals I'm gonna do, man, it looks fucking crazy outside. We're getting hail warnings, like half the size of dollar, like, you know, dollar coins or whatever, and tornado warnings all around, and severe like thunderstorms. So I just want to get my flex pipe done and come back home and not drive, so I don't run into another river. Because yeah, it looks like fucking God's taking over, and we're trying to take over while the world's ending. It looks wild. Like even like near the shop, it's way darker. As you can see, it's starting to rain already. I just want to get this done, hopefully quickish, so I'm not, you know, caught in the fucking downpour and nervous and rivers and backflashes. I don't need no more stress in my life. You hear those pops? You're not gonna hear as many pops once I get this shit done, because it's sputtering and popping through my flex pipe area. It's like so shot, so hopefully it sounds a lot better after. It's not like it used to, like not that pressure, you know, it needs, and it just sounds like a piece of shit. We out here, boy. Bought a nice $10 one off Amazon. See how that's gonna hold up. Got my exhaust hanging a little bit over here. Shit broke for the second, third time. Like right there, right there. This gets a lot worse every time I see it. Hopefully that helps a lot. So, Kendra got it all welded up. Shout out to him. Flex pipe is looking a lot better. Then it was, what was it, this hanger right here that was broken off too, and it had a whole big ass hole in the exhaust, which I didn't know about. So that was another exhaust leak. And we had this hanger that was broken. So